To change lock screen shortcuts on the Realme C71, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you will have to go for the settings, and from here move into the wallpaper and style. From here you have to go for the lock screen, and you can find all the way at the top the shortcuts. So simply tap on this one, and here you have this preview of these current shortcuts, and you can select if you want to change the left shortcut or the right shortcut, and it gets kind of highlighted whether you choose any of these shortcuts. And so let's say I want to change this left shortcut, so I'll go for the left shortcut, and here I have these there's the list of these available shortcuts right here which I can choose. So right here we can, for example, select this QR code scanner for the left shortcut, and for the right shortcut select this right one right here, and here we can, like, for example, select no shortcut at all. So yeah, that's basically how you can do this, and it applies changes immediately. And as I lock this screen right now and wake it up, you can see that this shortcut has been changed, and that's how you can do this.